This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, good evening. Yes, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us start session. Yes, today about variables, how to use variables. Let us see. So first variables declaration. So declaration like a C language here also. Syntax, data type, next variable name, data type, then variable name, data type, variable name. Yes, how to choose name of variable? About name. Yes, name. See conditions and conventions. Conventions same as method name. What we discussed previously. Same as method name, no difference. Okay. Conditions, conventions, same as method name. Okay. See conventions here. When come to conventions here, yes, variable name start with lowercase alphabets. Conventions means coding standards. Coding standards. Okay. So name start with lowercase. Name start with lowercase. Lowercase. Okay. Yes, if name contains multiple words, if name contains multiple words, then first word starts with the lowercase, 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 and other words uppercase, and other words starts with uppercase, start with uppercase. Okay. So same as method name. Okay, same as method name here. See, naming, yes, variable. Yes, variable name. So variable name. Yes, conditions, conventions. Same as method, no difference. Same as method here. Conventions here. Method or variable same. Name starts with lowercase. If name contains multiple words, then first word starts with lowercase and other words start with uppercase. For example, here, suppose employee number. Yes, int data type is integer. Data type is integer. Data type is integer. Variable name. Suppose emp num. Yes, n caps. That's it. Int emp num. So e lowercase, num is n caps. Okay. Yes. Next. Suppose name. String type is string. Yes, emp name. Like this. So this is declaring variables here. So int emp num string data type is string here. Yes, emp name. Suppose salary. Yes, salary maybe double type. Yes, double or float. Double. Yes, emp salary. Salary. See this here. Second word uppercase, right? Start with lowercase. Next coming words start with uppercase. Start with uppercase. Start with uppercase. Okay. Next one more example. Suppose department string SCMP, SDPT name, EMP name. See this E is lowercase, but D caps, department D caps, name N caps. Okay, next suppose integer, yes, EMPS. That's it. So this is declaring variables. Java way of declaration like this, naming conventions like this. So starting with lowercase. So next word start with uppercase. Next words. See start with lowercase. Next word. Department D caps, yes, name N caps. That's it here. So this is declaration of variables. Declaration of variables. Okay. Yes, 1 second. Yes, let me start Eclipse also. Declaration. After declaration, later assigning values. Suppose emp num assigning values. So how to assign values here? Emp num is equal to 1001 assigned. Like this one by one assignment here. Emp name is a string double quote we should use. Yes, emp name is equal to suppose mn row. Within double quote we should use like this. Within double quotes. So emp number, yes, emp name. Next emp salary. Yes, emp salary. Yes, emp salary is equal to suppose $10,500. Okay, EMP salary. Next EMP department name. So department string is always double quotations is equal to here Yes, double quotes. Department name. So for example, yes, admin department within double quotes. Suppose for example here, yes, char EMP gender. Gender means single character. It's a single character. Char means single character. String means within double quotation. Okay. Yes. Next here, EMP gender. So EMP gender. Okay. Yes. Like this, one by one, you can assign values here. So next, EMP gender is equal to single character, some male or female, like this. Gender. Cat type means single character. We should use single quotation. Cat type means single quote we should use. Suppose string type. If it is string type, we should use double quote here. That's definitely. Okay. So string is double quote. Char is single quotations. Next, EMPS. Yes, next EMPS. So EMPS is equal to some 32. That's it. So this is okay. 1 second. Yes, let me copy. So this is declaration of variables. Declaring variables. Yes, declaration of variables and assigning values. Okay, fine. See this. See this. Public static void main. Yes, all the variables declared. So one by one values assigned. First one, next one, next one, next one, like this. Okay. See here, it's a EMP number. It's integer 1001. Yes, EMP name. String double quotations. String if it is string double quotes. Okay, double. Yes, EMP salary $10,500 here. EMP department name admin. Department name which is string type. So within double quotes. Gender equal to male. See, gender is character. Char means single character. You must use single quotes. So what right is double quotes. Double quote is not valid. Double quote is not valid. Double quote is not valid. You should use single quote only. You should use single quotes. Okay. Yes. Hello. Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.
So this is a declaration of variables. Okay. Next, assigning values like this. Okay, fine. Now, how to display all the values? System.out.println. System.out.println. So first, EMP number. EMP number. So EMP number. 1 second. 1 second. Displaying one by one value. Here, different ways of output you can display here. So first one, EMP number. First one, displaying EMP number. It's EMP number. Yes, next displaying EMP name. So next EMP name. So one by one displaying. Okay. Or in single print also you can display. We'll discuss that. Wait. Yes, next gender. Gender. Yes. H. Yes. So output like this. So this is declaration of all the variables of declaration. Yes, it's assignment. After assignment, displaying all the values. Yes, rightly. Next, see that 1001 MN 10,500 admin male 32. That's it. So this is declaring variables, declaration of variables. Next, assignments. Sometimes, if you know the values at the time of declaration, directly you can assign it here. So this value, yes, is equal to, see this. Directly you can assign values like this. So this is called as initialization. Okay. See, first previously here, first declared all the variables declared, later assign values. One by one values assigned. One by one values assigned here. Suppose if you know the values here, the time of declaration itself, just it's an assignment 1001. Suppose name is equal to here, yes, MN row. So this is called as initialization. Declaration itself. Okay. Yes. Yeah, right. That related names we should use. Okay. Yes. Reason is here related names. Yes, simplifies the name. Whose name is it? EMP name or student name or something, some X, right? Is it product name or item name, something like that. So for that reason, EMP name, EMPs are like this. Okay. So that easy to understand here. Suppose if I say num, Num means whose num this is? Is it employee number or item number or product number or EMP number? How? How can you identify? We can't. So for that reason, so that names here. Okay. Yes, the related names. You have to choose related names here. Okay. Yes, salary is equal to some 10,500. Okay. Yes, department name. Department name is equal to some admin. Okay. Yes, gender is equal to yes male. Next age is equal to some 62. That's it. Okay. Yes. See this. Yes. This is called as initialization. Okay. So here assignment and initialization. This is called as initialization. At the time of declaration itself assigning values. So this all initialization. It's initialization of variable here. It's initializing variables. Initializing variables. Okay. So all the values, right? This is like this. Okay. Suppose if you want to change values, you can change here. If you want to change values later, you can change values here. Okay. Changing values. Assignment. We should go for assignment. Suppose initially their initial details. At the time of declaration itself assigning value. Declaration itself assigning value. So it's initialization. All initializations. Suppose if you want to change value, you should go for assignment. Yes, CMP number is equal to 1002. Changing value. It's assignment. So this assignment. Okay. Yes, next EMP name. Suppose EMP name. Yes, EMP name is equal to some X. So that's changing that value here. Next EMP salary. So EMP salary. Okay, next EMP salary is equal to here. Suppose 9,500. Okay, next EMP department name. Suppose changing yes values. Assignment go for assignment. Suppose IT department. Next EMP gender. EMP gender yes is equal to here. Suppose female. Changing values. So here it's assignment here. EMPS is equal to here some 25 like something like this. That's clear. See, this is called as initialization. Declaration itself assigning values. Declaration itself is assigning values. It's initialization. Next here, this is called assignment. Later changing value. Changing value. It's assignment. It's assignment, right? Okay. Series. Now same thing. Let us display 1 second here. Displaying. Yes, run as. See this. See here. These are initial values. You can see after these initial values. After change, these are values, right? That's it. After change. Okay. Yes. So this is declaration assigning value. It's a initialization. Declaration assigning value. Declaration assigning value at a time. Both at a time. It's a initialization. Both at a time. It's initialization. Okay. Yes. Next this case. For this case, only declaration. This is only declaration. This is only declaration. No assigning values. It's only declaration. Only declaration. This is what assignment. That's it. So assignment and initialization is clear. Okay. If you know the values at the time of declaration itself, it's assignment. Sorry, it's initialization. This is called as initialization. Initializing variables. Okay. Fine. Yes. Now here in this program, see outputs one by one getting. But here, suppose some expect output is like this. Yes. Here I want to get the output like this. Yes. EMP num is equal to yes, this 1000 value I want here. EMP num equal to 1001 space. Next EMP name is equal to some text message also I want. Output in output I want text message also. EMP num equal to 1001. Yes, EMP name equal to MN Rao. Okay. Next EMP salary is equal to yes 10,500. Okay. Yes, next DPT name is equal to DPT name equal to admin. Okay, is equal to admin. Okay. Yes, next gender. Yes, some text message also I want here. Gender is equal to suppose M. Okay, right. Next age is equal to some 32. I want display like this. This is requirements. Okay, so this is including text message. So how to get here? So how to this is see 1001 is a value from the variable. MN is a value from variable. 10,000 from value from variable. So values and variables and text here. How to change this? See, this is text. This part is text. It's a value from variable. Yes, it's a text. Yes, it's a value from variable. Next, it's a text. Yes, it's a value from variable. Okay. Next, yes, it's a text. Okay, it's a text. Okay. Yes. Next, it's a value from variable. Next, yes, text value and variable, right? So how this is here? So text message placed in double quotes. It's double quotes. Text message within double quotes. Within double quotes. Within double quotes. Text message within double quotes. Text message within double quotes. Within double quotes. Text message within double quotes. Okay. Text message within double quotes. Within double quotes. Within double quotes. Okay. So text message within double quotes. Text message within double quotes. Within double quotes. Within double text message within double quotes. Okay, right? Yes. Next, yes, 1001. It's a value from variable. Value from variable. So variable name. Take the variable name emp name and place here. It's a variable name. So this is the variable name. Correct? Yes. Next, emp name. Variable name. So this is emp name in place of emp variable name. Correct? Yes. Next, salary. Salary. It's a variable name. So this is variable name. So variable name. So variable name like this, replace one by one like this. Yes, emp department name. It's a variable name. So department name. Yes, admin. It's a variable name. It's a variable name. And okay, next gender. emp gender. It's a variable name. It's a variable name. Okay, department name. Yes, gender. Yes, gender is a variable name, right? It's a variable name like this. Variable name. Right. Okay. Next. Yes. Yes. Gender. Yes. Next. Yes. 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 It's a value, right? Okay. So variable and text. How to change this? Let's just use plus. Between this place plus. So you get text and variable. Variable plus text. Plus is for concatenation. Yes, Java plus is a concatenation. Java plus is concatenation. Plus is concatenation. Java plus is concatenation. Plus is concatenation. Plus is concatenation. Plus is a concatenation. Plus it's a concatenation. Yes. Yes. Plus it's a concatenation. Plus it's a concatenation. Okay. Yes. Once again, gender equal to 1. Department name. Yes, emp gender. Okay. Gender equal to yes, that emp gender. That emp gender variable. emp gender variable. Gender like this. Gender. Yes. Plus a is equal to text. So text plus variables like this. So like this you can join it here. Yes. Plus is for the concatenation. Plus is for concatenation. Plus it's a concatenation. It's a concatenation. Yes. Copy. Okay, let's go to here. Printer and place this. Let's go to here. Remove all this. Now see this. Yes, emp number equal to emp num. emp num equal to emp name. Yes, salary is equal to yes, the emp salary here. So like this one by one. So one by one salary. Next department. Department name is equal to yes, DP emp DP name. Gender. Gender is equal to yes, the emp gender. A is equal to emps. Okay. Yes. Now run it. Run as. Yes. See that. emp number equal to emp name equal to salary equal to. See that. Yes. emp number 1001. emp name. Mn emp salary like this. Suppose if you want space after 1001, we need some space. So between this, we need space here. So how to get space here? Tab. Just use better use tab, right? Tab. So go for tab here. Just use tab here. Okay. Just use tab. So first emp number equal to this is emp name. Before this, just use tab. Just use tab here. Here say tab. Just use tab. Just use tab here. Here say tab. Just use tab here. Just using tab here. So slash t tab slash t tab. Okay. Next yes. 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 Tab. Here tab right. Tab. Okay. That's it here. Now run it. That's it. Okay. So emp number equal to 1001. emp name equal to MN Rao. emp salary equal to 10,500. Department equal to admin here. So like this. Next like this. Okay. Next gender equal to male. Age equal to 32. That's it. Suppose sometimes here Between fields we need comma. Sometimes we need comma. So how to place comma here? Yes. How to place comma? Yes, EMP number. Yes. Comma. EMP number. Comma. Just a concatenation. Just it here. That's it here. Variable and text concatenation. Variable and text concatenation. Okay. Next EMP name. Comma. It's a comma. Okay. Next. Yes, EMP salary. Here it's a comma. Comma separated. CSV data. Comma separate values. CSV data. Sometimes you have to prepare CSV data. Output is CSV format. Yes, comma. Comma. Okay, that depends on requirement. You can use different kind of things here. Comma. So next, gender. Yes, here it's a comma. Just it's a comma. Comma. Yes, that's it. Comma is a separator. Comma is separator. Okay, correct? Yes. Now run it. Run as. See this. Yes. Yes. First field comma. Second field comma. Third field comma. Fourth field comma. Fifth field comma. Sixth field like this. Comma separator. Yes, using comma separator. Something like 1 second. Yes. Project folder sample. Yes. Suppose CSV data. See this. This kind of data. Comma separate values. Sometimes you have to prepare like this. Okay. Yes, here only one record, right? One record. So multiple records. If it is multiple records, millions of records. Yes. Storing to files. Millions of records. Storing to files. Using comma CSV file. We should generate CSV file. Yes, in files we'll discuss same topic. Okay. How to generate CSV file? Generating CSV file. The data storage in the form of CSV files, comma separate values. CSV means comma separate values. CSV. CSV means comma. Yes, CSV means yes, comma separated values. Okay, separated values, comma separate values. CSV, comma separate values. Sometimes Excel format you have to store data. Okay, sometimes Excel format you have to maintain data. Sometimes here JSON formats. Yes, all these formats we'll discuss in files. Okay, how to generate CSV file, how to generate Excel file, reading from Excel and writing to Excel, reading from XML, writing to XML, reading from JSON and writing to JSON. Okay, in files this topic we'll discuss clearly. Okay, yes. Now here this is. So this is yes, simply comma separate values, comma separate values. In place of comma, sometimes may be required colon. Yes, colon also sometimes required here. Field delimiter colon, colon. It's a field delimiter colon. You can use colon also. That depends on requirements. Colon, colon. Data with colon. Colon is a field delimiter. Colon. Just using colon here. Colon. Just using colon. Using colon. Now run it here. Run as. See this. Data with colon, right? Colon. Field separator is colon. Yes, something like 1 second. Yes. Yes, something like this. Colons. Field separator colon like this. Okay. Yes, in files we'll discuss more about this. Okay. So this is about yes, declaration of variables or initialization like this. Initialization. Okay, right? Suppose I want to change values here. Go for assignment. Changing values. Yes, EMP number. Changing EMP number value. Yes, go for assignment. Suppose 1002. 1002. Change here. Next EMP name. So EMP name. So EMP name is equal to some ABC EMP name. Okay, semicolon. So changing values assignment. EMP name. Next EMP salary. Yes, EMP salary. EMP salary equal to something like this. Okay, EMP salary. Yes, it's assignment. Department name is equal to yes, some IT like this. Okay, so it's assignment changing values. Assignment changing values. Okay, department name, gender equal to yes, female. Okay, right. Next age equal to yes, age equal to yes, suppose 35, something like this. Okay, so after change values, after changing then values here, values, yes, right click run as. See that? So initial record is like this. Initial record like this. After changing, these are the values here. That's it here. So 1001, 1002. Amandra, ABC, 10,500, 9,500. Admin, IT department, female, male, female, 32, 30, that's it here. So changing values like this. You can change values like this. Okay. So first initialization. So first, yes, all the variables. Yes. So this is initialization. Okay. Next, this is assignment. That's it. So fine. Okay. So this is about working with variables. Right. Next, how to read data from the keyboard. Reading data from the keyboard. How to read for the scanner. Scanner is a class from java.util package. This is scanner class. Scanner. It's a class from java.util package to read data from the keyboard. Scanner is a class. Scanner is a class. Yes, from java.util package to read data from the keyboard. So scanner. First, we should create one scanner object. Scanner s equal to yes new scanner by passing system.in by passing system.in. So scan right. Yes, scanner like this. Okay. See. So previously system.out means to display on the screen. Output on the screen, right? So system.out used to display output on the screen. Okay. System.out means to display on the screen here. Now system.in means to read from the keyboard. No scanner class. Yes. Yes. What is this scanner? Yes, new scanner. This statement may not be understanding at this stage. It's a OOPS concept. In OOPS concept, I'll clear it. Now scanner class. This class has to import here. So how to import? Yes, import java dot import java dot util. Yes, util dot scanner class. That's it. Import it. Okay. So this is importing scanner class. Import scanner class and use it here. Okay. 1 second. Simple way here. Importing scanner. Place the cursor at the end of the class. Place the cursor at the end of the class. Control space. Automatically imported. See that. See. Control that. See here. Place the cursor at the end of the class. At the end. See. For example here. Suppose if statement control space. Yes. If statement. Generating automatically here. Yes. Eclipse has many shortcuts to generate code automatically. Suppose for loop. Control space. After for control space. Suppose for each loop. So that code generating automatically like this here. Scanner. Place the cursor in the scanner control space. See that automatically imported. Automatically. Scanner importing automatically. Okay. Scanner importing automatically. Okay. See this. Yes. Scanner. Place the cursor in the scanner class control space. Import automatically. Okay. Yes. Fine. Next. How to read data from the keyboard. Different type of data we should read from the keyboard. Different type of data. So what different type of data? Like byte type of data, yes, a short type of data, next int type of data, long type of data, next float type of data, yes, double type of data, next string type of data. So different type of data. So how to read different type of data? Different type of data from the keywords. For this, sc dot the scan objects. For scan object sc created. Scan sc dot next see sc dot next byte. So next byte. Yes, this is to read the byte type of data. So byte type of data means up to 127, reading up to 127. Sc dot yes next is short. Yes, a short type of data. See sc dot yes next yes sc dot next int. Yes, int is the type of data. Sc dot yes sc dot next long type of data. Okay. Next sc dot yes float type of data. Yes, next float type of data. So reading float type of data. Yes, sc dot yes next double, reading double type of data. Suppose string sc dot next enough. Next is for string type. So different type of data can be like this. Okay, that next methods. Next byte, next short, next int, next long, next float, next double, next like this. So this is for strings here. So reading different type of data like this. Okay. Now let's see. System dot how dot println. So enter first enter emp details. Enter emp details. Enter emp details. Okay. So first one system dot Yes. Dot print enter EMP number. Enter EMP number. Enter EMP number. For EMP number, yes, it's integer type. So integer int EMP yes num is equal to yes. So sc dot next int. Take this one and this here. That's it. Okay. For EMP sc dot next. Now this one it is integer value. Reading integer from the keyboard and assign the EMP number variable. Yes, reading integer from the keyboard, assign the EMP number variable. Okay, right? Yes, next system dot out dot println. Yes, enter. Yes, enter EMP name. Enter EMP name. Reading EMP name. So string. Yes, EMP name is equal to sc dot next method. Enough. So this reading string here. System dot out dot println. Yes, enter. Yes, enter. Yes, EMP salary. Enter EMP salary, reading salary, EMP salary. Salary it's a double. So double type. Double. Yes. Is double type. Double salary. Yes. EMP salary equal to EMP salary. EMP salary is equal to here. Yes. C dot. Yes. Next double. Next double. That's it. Reading double. See. First reading employee number. Integer type. Okay. Reading next EMP name. Yes. It's EMP name here. sc dot next string next salary it's a double type, so EMP salary equal to, okay, system dot out dot println yes enter yes EMP enter EMP gender. Suppose gender is a string type. Yes, you can read string directly here. String gender sc dot next string, so gender yes EMP gender equal to EMP gender, so EMP gender EMP gender. Okay, yes, next. Yes, EMP, yes. Suppose EMP, yes. Like this, from when you read all details like this. EMP, yes. It's integer type. Yes is integer. Okay. So integer. Yes, EMP, yes. EMP, yes is equal to here. Okay, sc dot. Yes, next. Int. Right? That's it. Power. So this is to read data from the keyboard. Reading data. Okay. Scanner. This scanner, yes equal new scanner. So try to remember syntax. Okay, remember syntax, don't try to understand, don't worry. It's a OOPS concept. In OOPS concept you can understand. So this is not right time to discuss about this statement. Just remember like syntax. It's a syntax to read from the keyword. Actually in OOPS concept, this is class name. This is reference to objects. Used to create object. This can is a constructor. It's a constructor. This is class name. This is constructor. So here I can explain, but you can't understand. This is not right time to discuss. Okay, just remember like a syntax. Scanner SC. This name can be anywhere. Not only X, SC, XYZ also. That name can be anywhere. No problem. No problem. No issue here. No issue. Okay. Yes. So SC. Yes. OOPS concept. I'll clear it. This kind of statements we'll discuss in OOPS concept. Okay. Suppose in OOPS concept. Suppose here this is sample class. This is sample class. In OOPS concept, sample s equal to sample s1 equal to new sample. This is to create object in OOPS concept. See, this and this is similar, right? Looking like same. So this is the way to create objects. Okay, that means we are creating scanner objects. Just creating scanner objects. Okay, yes. Remember like a syntax. Don't try to understand. Maybe difficult to understand. In OOPS concept, I'll clear it here. Okay. So scan object created. So sc dot next int reading integer, sc dot next reading string, sc dot next double reading. Yes, it's a double. Yes, real number. Okay. Sc dot next is a string again. Gender. Yes, age integer. Sc dot next int. That's it here. Okay. Now system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Yes, displaying all this. Yes. So first, yes, I guess EMP number is equal to yes. Text plus variable, right? Simple this is. Text plus variable, EMP number variable, text plus variable. Let's of this next text tab. So next text. So EMP name. So next text. EMP name is equal to that EMP name variable. Text plus variables like this. Plus variable. After plus second text tab. 1 second. Double click, that will maximize. Okay. Yes, tab. Plus yes tab, yes EMP name, yes EMP salary, yes EMP salary is equal to plus then variable here EMP salary variable, that salary variable. plus yes text within double quote tab. Okay, just text plus variable, text plus variable, text plus variable like this. So text plus variable, text plus variable, text plus variable. Simple way of writing is like this. Okay, salary is equal to here emp salary, that variable. Next gender, so tab emp gender, so emp gender, yes emp gender, yes emp gender, yes emp gender, emp gender is equal to here plus generate the gender variable, correct? Next age, so text plus variable, simply text plus variable here. Okay, so plus not text here, plus text, so text emp tab, so space for the space purpose tab here, emp age is equal to plus age, emp age, that's it. So this is way of writing code like this. Okay, now right click run as series, enter emp number, yes 1001, yes name suppose mn Rao, yes salary suppose $9,500, yes emp gender suppose male, yes age suppose some 29. See that? Okay, right? So this is okay, right? Run as again running here. See that? See this. emp number suppose something, some text, yes except input mismatch exception. So how to handle this exception later we'll discuss. In exception handling we'll discuss that. Okay, it's exception handling topic, third time we'll discuss exception handling. I'll explain that here. Okay, yes, next run as suppose emp number 1001, yes name, yes abc, yes salary, suppose again text, yes again failed, input mismatching, that's it. Okay, so this kind of things we should handle it here. How to handle exceptions later we'll see. So this is not right time, later we'll see except handling topic here. Okay, so this is to read data from the keyboard. Scanner, so scanner is a way to read data from the keywords. Okay, not only scanner, we have different ways to read data from the keywords. We have other ways also, but the topic we'll discuss in files, like using buffer reader, input stream reader. So different kind of things are there. Using console class, there are different kind of things to read data from the keyboard. Later we'll see. This is not right time to discuss. Okay. Yes. Scanner class discussed. Yet this is scanner class. Okay. Yes. 1 second. Let me open document. Document. Our document. Scanner. See this yesterday. Sorry, variables discussed. Yesterday data types discussed, today variables. Same that variables examples here. Yes, we declare some variable. Yes, initialization. Next assignment like this. On this some examples. Examples are same what we discussed. Okay. Yes, next here, reading from the keyboard. There are different ways to read data from the keyboard. Input stream reader, console class, scanner class, data input stream. At this stage, scanner class. These things we'll discuss in files. IO stream separate topic is there. That time we'll discuss. Okay, at this stage we can't understand here. You can't understand. Discuss in file. See, at this stage we can focus on only scanner class. Only scanner. Others will be discussed in IO streams. It's a files. Okay. See scanner class. See next to read a string. Next line means up to enter multiple words. Okay, string with including spaces. Okay. Next byte, next start, next int, next long, next float, next double line. That's it. Some example can see this. Enter EMP number, next enter. EMP name, next salary, next double like this. Department next like this. That's it. So this is to read data from the keyboard. Okay, fine. Yes, next one more. Yes. See, int a equal to 10. This is initialization. int a equal 10, it's initialization. Okay, next int b equal 20, so this is initialization. Okay, next, suppose if it is C language, in C language, int a equal to 10 declaration, int b equal to declaration, next int c, third variable c. Suppose I want c equal to a plus b, c equal to a plus b, c equal to a plus b. So c equal to a plus b. If it is C language, for declaring variable a b, next declaring c, of declaration of c, c equal to a plus b. This is the way writing code in C language. In C language, int a, int b, int c. First you should declare variable c equal to a plus b. Right? Okay. So this is C language. Java, a equal to 10, b equal to 20. Yes, int c equal to, at the time of declaration itself, directly can perform this operation. So what is this concept here? See, this is int a equal to 10. It's a compile time initialization. Int b equal to 20 compile time. So these two are compile time initializations. Now a plus b, this is calculating at runtime, right? A plus b value calculating at runtime. This is called as runtime initialization. In C language, runtime initialization is not valid, but Java, C++ error here. So this is called dynamic initialization of variable. At runtime, assigning value to C. See, at runtime a plus b calculating, it's a 30 assign, right? Okay. Suppose directly if it is 30, then it's a compile time initialization. This is called compile time initialization. It's a compile time. It's a compile time, right? Okay. Suppose a plus b, this is runtime initialization called dynamic initialization variable. This is dynamic initialization of variable. Dynamic initialization. So that variable c initializing at runtime a plus b. So 10 plus 20, 30. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 assigned c, right? So what's the value of c? 30. So when 30 getting at runtime getting here, not compile time. 30, it's calculating 30 at runtime here. Okay, then assign C. So this type of initialization is dynamic initialization. This is called as dynamic initialization of variable. Okay, fine. Next, one more. Yes, I want to swap two variables. Swapping technique. So what is swapping? Yes, I want swap two variables. How to swap the two variables here? What is swapping? Swapping means what? What is swapping? Any idea? Of course, I'll explain. Any idea? What is swapping?
Interchanging.
Yeah. Swapping means just interchange. So just interchanging here. Suppose A equal 10, B equal 20. Okay. Yes, now I want to swap A and B values. How to swap this here? See here, swapping, suppose A, B value taken to A, A value taken to B. Suppose A equal to B. Okay. So what's happened here? B value has taken to A, right? B value assigned to A. Next after that, B equal to A. A value assigned to B, right? See, B value taken to A value taken to B. Okay. Suppose I'll write this code. Will it work or not? Let us see. Swapping. Yes. Int. Yes. Actually, these are all the concepts you should learn in C language only. They're very basics. Okay. See, system.out.println. Yes, before swapping. Yes, before swapping. Before swapping. So what is A value? What is B value? Before swapping. Yes, A equal to plus A plus tab. B is equal to plus B. Right? Before swapping. Okay, before, yes. See, before swapping, run it. See this A value 10, B value 20, right? A value 10, B value 20. Okay, now let us swap it. Okay. So B value taken to A value taken to B. Yes, vice versa. B value assigned to A value assigned to B. Yes, after swapping. Yes, after swapping 2010, we should get it right. What is A value? 20. What is B value? 10. That's it here. Yes, can I get it? Expected value. So before swapping 1020, after swapping I should get 2010. Can I get it? Is this logic here? Swapping logic. With this logic, can I get expected value here? Will it swap?
No, sir. It
Yes,
will take
who-
temporary.
Yes. Here, who is having C knowledge? They can easy. Okay, see this. known as, see this. Yes, A value 10, B value 20. After swapping 2020 here. Swapping failed. So what's the reason? Let us see that. 1 second. Swapping to variables. Okay, swapping to variables. Suppose C equal 10. Let us take variable A. Yes, memory for A. So let us say this is variable A. So A, variable A. So variable A, its value is what? 10. Okay. Next variable B. Next another variable. So A. So next B. Next variable B. So this is B. So A and B, right? That memories A and B. Okay, A and B. So this A value 10, B value 20. So the initial value, right? Yes, A equal 10, B equal 20. So A equal 10, B equal 20, right? So A equal 10, B equal 20. Okay. Yes. So A value 10, B value 20. Okay, right? Before swapping A value, B value here, see our code is, see our program code is A equal to B. Yes. Next, B equal to A. Yes. B equals. These are our codes. What happens here? So as per this code, how it's working here? See this. So first A value 10, B value 20. So before swapping 10, 20, yes, A equal to B. Whatever B value 20, ascend A. So A value overrides. So loss of 10. Loss of 10. Now B equal to A. So what is A value 20? 20 ascend B. So same 20 overwriting with again 20, right? So both are 20 here. See, repeating once again here. See, first A equal to B. This statement, how it's working? This statement. See this. This statement A equal to B. So what is value of B here? It's a 20. So B value 20. So in B memory 20 is there. The 20 ascends to A. So A value is now 20. Overwriting 20. Okay. Yes. Next B equal to A. So B equal to A. So what is A value 20? 20 ascend to B, right? 20 ascend to B. So same 20 overwriting 20 again here. Both are same values. After swapping, both are same 20, 20. So both are 20 here outputs. Okay, see this. After swapping, both are same. This means that. Okay. Now here, yes. Now A value 10, B value 20 here. So you have 10. So A equal to B means 20 overwriting and 10. So before overwriting this 10, take into another variable. So take it some temporary variable here. Write some temporary variable temp. So integer temp. So int temp equal to A. Take one variable here. Temp equal to A. So another location. Another temporary location take, right? Temp equal to A. Okay. Temporary location. Okay. Not temporary location. So temporary location, right? Third variable is taken here. So temp. So it's a temp, right? So temp. It's a temp. Okay, temp location. Now what's happening here? The int temp equal to A. So what is A value 10? 10 ascending temp, right? So initially temp is nothing here. So int temp equal to A. Temp equal to A. So what is A value? 10 ascending temp. So temp is now 10. Okay, next A equal to B. A equal to, so B value 20 ascend A, right? So A value becomes now 20. Okay, right? Yes, next B equal to A. B equal to A. So B equal to, what is A value 20? Okay, so sorry, B equal to, yes, now here this temporary value taken to B, that's it here. See, first initially int temp equal to A. So what is A value 10 is there? In A 10 is, so 10 taken to temporary variable taken after the A equal to B. So B value 20 ascend A. So A value overwriting. Yes, after B equal to, yes, now this 10 taken to B here. So B equal temp, B equal temp, that's it. B equal temp, B equal temp. So using the third variable, temporary variable, you can change it here. Using third variable, you can do that. So this is now and getting finally. That's it here. Okay. So finally, A value 20, B value 10 here. So finally here after swapping, we get it here. So using third variable, So int A equal to 10, B equal to 20. Now take one variable, temporary variable here. Temp equal to K. Okay. Yes, A equal to B equal to temp. That's it. The standard logic in swapping here. So int temp equal to A. So A value taken temp. So A equal to B value ascend A here. Now temp value taken to B. That's it. It's a standard logic. Standard logic. Yes, to swap it.
Sir,
Before swapping 1020. After swapping 2010. So this is swapping.
sir,
Yeah, tell me.
I have a doubt. When we assign temporary as a A, then if we if we change the value of a to 20, then didn't the value of a temporary is also changed?
How it is a different copy, different. Suppose any changes made on A that won't affect on temp. Two different copies. See this memory. Try to understand memory here. A separate memory, B separate memory, temp separate memory. Suppose if I change A value, suppose after this here, I'll change as per you, I'll change it. A equal to 50. Yes, A equal to 50. Yes, A location. What is A location? This A location. This will change. That is different. This is two different locations. It's not same locations. Two different locations. Is it clear? Two different memories. Temporary memory taken here. Two different locations. Yes, it won't change here. It won't change. I think it's clear, right? It's clear.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, okay. So see, for better understanding, I'll tell you one more example. Suppose Excel data, Excel sheet. For better understanding, I'm taking Excel sheets. Suppose here 10 is there, here 20 is there. Now I want to swap these two things here. That location values, I want to swap it. So how I can swap it? So what's over here? Simply here, this 10 I should copy in some location, right? After copying, now copy 20. Yes, continue paste it. Now take this 10 and paste here. That's it. Swapping. Temporary look without using third cell, we can't change it, right? Okay. Suppose here MN raw is there. Okay, MN raw is there. Here ABC is there, right? Yes. Now I want to swap these two things. So first MN raw I should copy into another location. Okay, after ABC, copy ABC into this location. Okay, next MN raw, copy and paste here. That's it. So what temporary location MN raw? In place of MN raw, suppose I'll use yes, excellent. Changed, but M and it won't change, right? So this is different, this is different, this is different. Three different locations, three different memories. I think it's clear, right? This is best example, Excel sheet. This example.
Yes, sir.
So using third location required compulsory. Okay, third location required. Okay, 1 second. Some assignment for you guys. Without using third variable, how to swap? Just swapping technique without using third variable. Just use some mathematical operation, either plus, minus, something like this. It's assignment for you. Try it. Just to try it without using third variable, like something like a equal to a plus b, something, some operation. B equal to some b minus a, something like this, some operation. Suppose a equal to yes. Next maybe yes b yes plus a, something like this. Yes, this even hint also given already. Hint also given, just to try it without using third variable. Swapping two variables using third variable. Right. Just to try it, it's assignment for you. Okay. Yes, you can search in Google also, no problem, no issue. Okay. Yes, just to try it. Yes. Just to try it. A equal to a plus b. Okay. This way, this is one way. Okay. Yes, using plus minus. Next, one more way is there here. Yes, multiplication and division. Okay. Either it is plus minus or it is multiplication and division. Anyone, it's okay. So try with plus or minus. Just using plus and minus, try with this here. Try with this. Try with this. Okay. Yes. Otherwise, tomorrow class I'll explain that. Okay. Yes. So this is yes. Okay. See, dynamic initialization of variable. Yes, int a equal to int b equal to 20. Yes, create topic. See variables. Create topic variables. Yes, variable declaration. Next initialization, this is next assigning values. It's assignment of values here. Same thing, examples explained here. Okay. Yes, next dynamic initialization like this, a equal to b equal to 20. Yes, int c equal to int, which is a dynamic initialization. Next swapping. Okay, 10, 20 like this. So int temp equal to a. Okay, so finally 2010 like this using temporary variable. Okay, after swapping, getting that values. Okay, reading from the keyboard using scanner class. Okay, yes. Next is about typecasting. Yes, typecasting. Tomorrow will continue. Yes, minimum. Yes, complete whole class tomorrow. Whole class typecasting topic. Okay. Yes. Yes. Any doubts? Yes. 1 second. Try to start practice. Okay. Once you started practice, you'll become familiar with syntax. Okay. Once entered groups country, will see actual Java. This is just C language concepts. All this. Try to practice all this. Okay. Yes. So next topic, typecasting. Same topic in C language also available. Okay. This is somewhat like a C language brush-up. Once you started, actual Java will be starting. Actual Java will be starting. Just to try it. Okay. Yes. Again, yeah, sure, definitely. I'll explain it. Sure. Okay. Yeah. And now itself, I'll explain right tomorrow. I'll explain again. See, stopping. This one you asked, right? 10. Yes. B equal 20. So what? See this memory. Try to imagine like this. At A memory allocation of 4 bytes, B 4 bytes like this. So A, what is A value? 10. A equal to 10. So A equal to 10. So value of A is 10. B equal to 20. So what's the value of B here? It's a 20, right? It's a 20. Okay. So A value 10. So A value 10, B value 20. So they are initial values, right? Initial values of A and B. So A value 10 in A memory 10, B memory 20 is a memory. Just imagine like a memory. A value, B value. So next, before swapping, what is output? Yes, A and B. So 10, 20 output. Fine. Now, how to swap it here? Now swapping, for swapping here, suppose if I'm swapping like this, what happens? Let us see. A equal to B. Suppose if it is A equal to B, okay, B equal to A, what happens? A equal to B equal to A. What happens here? First A equal to B. A equal to B. What is B value? B value. Yes, here B value assigns to A, right? B value assigns, what is B value? 20. 20 assigns to A. So variable A overrides. Its memory overrides. Its memory overrides. After that, B equal to A. So what is A value? 20. Now currently, see here, what is A value? Yes, modified already. A equal to means overwritten. A value overwritten, changed to 20, changed memory. That memory changed. B equal to A. So what is B value? 20. 20 assigned A. The 10 overwritten. After overwriting, B equal to A here. Now B equal to A. So what is A value? Current value of is what? 20. Current value of is what? 20. That 20 assigns to B. So 20 again overwriting same 20. Again 20, right? Yes. After swapping, what is A value? What is B value here? Both are same. 20, 20. Both are same, no change. Both are same, no change. Then how to change this? How to write code for the swapping logic? Now here, before swapping A value 10, B value 20. That's okay. Now suppose if I say A equal to B means what happens? B value 20 overwriting on A. So that value becomes 20, right? Loss of 10. Loss of 10. Loss of 10, right? Before loss of 10, take into another third location. Take into third location. Yes, int temp is equal to temp is equal to A. So A value taken to one temporary location. Declare one variable, temporary variable, temporary variable. So A value, what is A value? Yes, initially, see, A equal to 10, initially value of E is 10. So what is B value? 20. So here before swapping 10, 20, now taking some temporary variable, temp equal to F. What is A value? 10. So this 10 as any temporary location. So temp location is now 10. So temp is now 10. After that, A equal to B. Now 20 taken to A, right? So you get 20 taken to A. For this A equal to B. So this is now 20, right? This value becomes 20. Now 10 here is all right. Take this 10 ascend to B. So this temp ascend to B. That B equal to temp here. So into temp equal to A here. So B equal to is like this. Yes. Now A equal to B. B equal to temp. That's it. Temp. So what this is a 10. That's it over. See, I'm repeating once again here. See this. Yes. So first A value 10, B value 20. So temp equal to A. So this A value taken temporary variable. So temp is now 10. After A equal to B. So B value 20 assigns to A. So A value becomes not 20 overwriting. Now temp 10 is alright. 10. That 10 taken to B. So B equal to temp. That's it. That's it. Over. Okay. Now this value becomes not 10. That's it. So this is sorting logic is like this. Sorting logic. Okay. Same thing here. Suppose here, let us take Excel sheet for better understanding. Yes, 2 cells. Yes, I want to interchange these 2 cells here. How to interchange? How to change? How to interchange here? Yes. Suppose 10 Control C copying, Control paste. What happens? Overwriting, right? Overwriting. So we should not. So first copy 10 into another cell, third cell here. Now take 20. Control C copy, Control V paste. After take this 10 here, Control C, 10 here, copy, Control paste. So using third variable. So this value taken to third cell here, second cell assigned to first cell, this third cell value taken to second cell. That's it. Okay. I think you understand, right? This is. Yes. Let's operate concatenation. Okay. See, nothing. Concatenation is very simple. Concatenation. Yeah. System dot out dot println. Yes. Within double quotes, text A is equal to, it's a text plus variable name A plus within double quotes text, whatever text you want, B equal to plus B. Text plus variable, that's it here. Text plus variable. A equal 10, B equal 10. So what are messages you want here? You said text message. The text message can be anyone. No issue here. Depends on requirement. Text message can be anyone. Text plus variable. That's it. Between text variable just place A. That's it simply. Okay, run as. Yes. Is it clear? Madhu. Text plus variable. So between text and variable just you place plus. It's a concat joining. Joining these two things. Just joining simply here. Yeah. That's it. Yes, still any doubts? Swapping, is it clear? Swapping, is it okay?
Yes, sir, completely.
Yeah. So thank you.
Sir,
Next. Yeah, tell
I
me.
have a doubt from previous class in which we talk about byte.
Yeah. What is the doubt?
You tell me that the value of byte is around minus 127 plus 127 to minus 128.
Yeah, minus
So,
128 plus 127. Okay. Yeah. Tell
okay,
me.
so why it is the 120 minus 128? Why isn't it minus 127? I have a doubt about it.
Yeah, plus side is 127, negative side is 128.
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a cycle of operation. Tomorrow in typecasting I'll explain. In typecasting,
Okay, sir.
same topic we'll discuss tomorrow. Right? Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you guys. See you tomorrow.